Here's a 2017 Toyota RAV4. Feed your adventurous nature in this stylish and smart SUV. It's well equipped with features you need. Inline 4-cylinder engine, dual zone climate control, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, auto dimming rear view mirror, front heated sports seats, Entune external memory control, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, memory exterior door mirror settings, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Volkswagen of Inver Grove, creating customers for life. We are conveniently located at 1325 50th Street East in Inver-Grove-Heights, Minnesota, near Highway 494 and Robert Street, across from Best Buy.